Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable background refresh for the Cache app to save battery life or reduce data usage, follow these step-by-step instructions for iPhone and Android devices. Step 1. For iPhone users, open the Settings app on your device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Background App Refresh. Step 3. You'll see a list of all apps that have background refresh enabled. Find Cache app in the list. Step 4. Tap on Cache app and select Off to disable background app refresh for this app. Step 5. For Android users, open the Settings app and navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Step 6. Find and tap on Cache app in the list of installed apps. Step 7. Tap on Mobile Data or Data Usage within the Cache app settings. Step 8. Toggle off background data or allow background data usage to prevent the app from using data when you're not actively using it. Step 9. Additionally, you can go to Battery Settings on Android, find Cache app, and select Restrict or Optimize to limit background activity. Step 10. Note that disabling background refresh may delay notifications and updates from Cache app until you open the app manually. Step 11. Periodically check these settings as app updates may reset your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.